So today I decided to go to Starbucks. I went today because I found out that they were having new drinks that involve mango, and I really love mango. Because I'm sick, I decided to go for a medicine ball. This is really good tea. If you're sick, I do recommend this. I also got this mango strawberry lemonade. It's cold, I know, and I'm sick. I also got the mango drink. This is Mango Dream. Wow. Oh, this is really good. I mean, if you like sweet things, which I'm personally have a sweet tooth, this is very good. Next, I have the mango strawberry lemonade. Okay. Oh, wow. They're all good. Maybe it's just me that I really like mango. I think these are very good. They have like a similar they have a similar taste. Only this is less sweet than this one. This one's sweeter because of the lemonade. I wouldn't mind buying any of these. They're both still good. Out of these two, I would say the Mango Dream.